Today we have 1 hour of a topic which we will be viewing it from the angle of psychoanalysis. Well, the idea of love is that we can view it from different aspects. We can view it from most areas that you take. All the needs that love supports is categorized in two folders, which is the physiological folder and the psychological folder. And these functions are numerous, they're subjective, and they're evolving. Love is beyond comprehension. A lot of research papers would say love is beyond comprehension. It is also subjective. It is magnificent, it is grand, and it is brilliant. That is poetry and literature. Love is abstract, love is an absolution, love is subjective, and love can be categorized in every category: poetry, literature, philosophy, theology, mythology, psychology. Our approach will be to look at it from the psychological aspect and not literature, not theology, none of those. And when we're looking at it from the psychological aspect, we can look at it from the humanistic approach, the gestalt approach, the psychoanalytic approach. But today we're going to look at it from the psychoanalytic and the gestalt approach. What is love for you? In which category does it come? And when love is not there, what is at threat? That's my first question to you. So what is love for you? Is it more on poetry? What is it? And when love is not there, what is under threat? When love is not there, what is under threat? My invitation is to look at these aspects. Who are the people you love the most? Think of them, count on your fingers. You love the most. Who are the people you think love you the most? That's one split, and towards the end of the session, we'll talk of the second split. Is the first split clear? There's a certain set of people you love, and then there are certain set of people you know that they love you more. You get the split? And in the absence of the one you love, what is under threat? And in the absence of the one who loves you, what is under threat? And these are two different things. Ponder over it. Otherwise, it's just theory. It's useless. So growing up, and when I speak of growing up, I'm dividing your whole timeline into two parts. One is, say, 0 to 7 or 7 to 14. That's category one. And the second category would be, 25 plus, 35 plus, 45 plus. The second category, two categories. The first category will have two parts, and the second category can have multiple parts. And let's look at everything as a decade. So say the first 20 years, you can break it into 0 to 7 and say from 7 to 20. In this category, what did you see that love was? How did you learn that there's something called as love? Whom did you see as a metaphor for love? And what was the behavior of love? What was the attitude of love? Was love controlling? Was love threatening? Was love hard? Was love easy? Was love safety? Was love walking on eggshells? Was love gifting? In your 0 to 7, or in your probably 8 to 20, how did you know what love is? How did you know what love is? Did you see your parents love each other? Did you see your uncles and aunties love each other? Did you learn love as one-sided thing? Did you learn love as someone has to work very hard to get someone's love? What did you learn that love was when you were growing up? And then second question is, how did you know that you were loved? So what evidence procedure did you have as proof that you know that you are loved?